What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video or another vlog. I'm gonna be debadging the Black Widow. Be painting the back bumper, taking the emblems off. Also, I'm gonna be painting the back bumper. I'm gonna get rid of that chrome, paint it black so it can match the rest of the truck. Emblems are coming off. That one, the Texas Edition one, and the back bumper I'm gonna paint it with Plasti dip, and then I'm gonna hit it with the glossifier so it could have that shine to it. Last night we had a little meet with the crew. Some of us got our stickers, so I'm gonna roll that clip first and then I'll get started on the back bumper. Aquí andamos, día de bautismo. Vamos a bautizar las trocas con el exclusive sticker.
No.
Está moreno, coge.
Parece que la saqué, yo nunca la vi.
That was the little get together we had last night. 4 members got their exclusive sticker. Oh, big shout out to my brother El Charlie for hooking it up with the stickers. I already have one side matched off. Fixing to do the other one. Put plastic and get it painted. Both sides are masked off. I'm just gonna wipe them down and I'm gonna start spraying them. first coat is done. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna start debadging the side door emblems. We got the emblems off. Got that side off. Gonna hit it with that Goo Gone. Try to get as much as we can off. Let's hit it with the third coat of paint in the bumper. That was the final coat, 100% coverage on it. Now we're gonna spray the clear. Okay guys, that's 3 coats of clear. I'm gonna start on unmasking and see how it really looks without plastic. Alright guys, after 3 coats of clear, it's the way the bumper looks. I think it looks good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, I removed the emblems already. I'm gonna hit it one more time with some Goo Gone and see how it looks. Ahí quedó, chavos. After some hard scrubbing, I got the glue off. Again, guys, let me know what you think of the bumper. Comment below. I still gotta do the 2 doors, get the glue off, but I bought the biggest one they had, the glue gun. Ya se me acabó. So I gotta run to the store and get some more, but that'll be later. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really like how the bumper came out, how it looks. Looks nice, it looks clean. It goes with the black theme I have going on in the truck. Also, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.